Well, we are well overdue for an EDC update, so let's just get cracking with the knacking. Start off with the phone. It's the most boring thing to me, anyway. Huawei P Smart from 2019 phone. Does phone things, that's all I use it for. Don't even have internet access on it. Apart from when I'm at home, I've got the Wi-Fi, but besides that, I don't have Spotify or any of that bollocks. So for me, it's just a phone. I can call, I can text. That's it. Watches. When I'm outside of work, I've got a Seconda diver's watch. It is a, if I can see the model, (1846) CLX. I think that's the model name. But that's the watch. I just like the look of it. Work watch. Still using, if I can get the camera to focus, the Casio G-Shock. It's the new 2024 model. Forgot the model now, the model name. Gravity Master, that's it. Once my brain kicks in, 2024 model Gravity Master. So that's that for the work watch. I got these Loop hearing plugs, not hearing plugs, but earplugs. I use a lot of machines at work every day, throughout the entire day. Lawnmowers, trimmers, and these are awesome. I was using the, I've still got them. I'll just grab one if I can find it, without having to switch the camera off. Well, there was one lying around. Oh, random one lying around. Little earplug. Was using these, but the problem with these is you've got to form them, then stick them in your ear, and then hold them for a few seconds. And the guy that I'm working with, he's very impatient, so these are awesome. You just pull them out of the little case, stick them in your ear, and that's it. You're ready to go. Don't have to wait around. These are awesome, and they actually work. I haven't noticed any hearing loss or anything. I stick them in. I can use a strimmer throughout the entire day, or for at least 6 hours non-stop between breaks. Pull it out and I've got crystal clear hearing. So these are awesome. Highly recommend them. Knife. Got the Higo Nakami still. Nothing's going to change with that in the foreseeable future. Kanekoma Higo Nakami with the blue paper steel. Blah blah blah. Said it 1,000 times in 1,000 videos. Love this knife. Got a homemade case for it. Surprisingly, it's about the only homemade thing I've got that's actually lasted. I've had that for a few years as well. Keys. I think they're still the same as the last video. I've got the Leatherman Squirt PS4. The Phoenix NW20. The Uncle Bill's Slither Grippers. Got the Olight i3 EOS. And the tool for the Peak Design quick clip, I think it is, for the camera. Also, a new function for this is changing strimmer heads. You've got a little tab on the strimmer head, you shove that in and then you can unscrew the strimmer head. Found that out last week because it's the only thing that I had that I thought would work, and it did work, so that saved the day. And then I've got a Kubotan, and that is my keychain. Every time I move my hands I'm knocking the tripod and it's knocking the damn camera out of focus. Anyway, multi-tool. Got the Leatherman rebar. Was going to see a squirt there, but the Leatherman rebar, it's still a piece of shit, but it's a good beta tool. These are new. I was using the Sony, I can't remember the models of them, but these are the JLabs. Can't remember the model of these either. The camera wants to focus. I hate this damn camera. Focus, Daniel-san. Well, the JLabs, the wireless Bluetooth earplugs. These are awesome. The camera never wants to focus when I want it to. But there you go. Wallet. The Travax Contour, I think it is. Awesome wallet. And lastly, got a Tanangui, which is a Japanese traditional cloth, similar to a bandana. It's a cross between a bandana and a shmog. That's my personal EDC. I'll get into the bag right now. So the work bag, I don't think anything's changed since the last time I showed this, but I'll go over it anyway. It's the Czechoslovakian M60 all canvas bag. So in this pocket I've got a little first aid kit. I've got eye wash, bandages, band-aids, burn gel, non-adhesive pads, insect bite relief. I had to use that on Friday. I was strimming and I hit a wasp nest and I got stung a few times with that. So that came in handy. First time I used the insect bite, or after bite I think it's called. I can get it out real quick. After bite, good stuff, it actually works. Then I've got some TP. And some hand sanitizer. And that's all that's in there. And then in here, I've got safety glasses. Just a plastic bag for wrapping some electronics in case they get wet when it rains. Only electronics I have, which I've just dropped, is a portable power bank. I've had this for a few years now. It's awesome. It's never let us down. 10,000 amp Goodman power bank with the type A or type C, can't remember, cable attached to it for the phone. And got a pen, which is a Nightcore, forgot the model, NTP21 self-defense pen. And in the main pocket a bit slow to get into, but it's a work bag. It's not like it's a military bag or anything. A little slow to get into usual though. Get open, you bastard. Fucking. Eventually I'll get into it. Got a Fjallraven cap. Lunchbox. These are RAF issue Gore-Tex pants. These are awesome. Got a cheap Regatta ultralight waterproof jacket. I got a cover for the bag, which is made by Tarian. I got a little bag that the Regatta jacket came in. It's a packet jacket. Some gloves. A high-vis vest for the waterproof jacket, which has got the company logo in, which I won't show. So I don't want people knowing what company I work for in case I have a massive rant about the company that I work for. You're not allowed to. You get wrong. Been working there for 3 years and I've got nothing bad to say about the company. Could have one or two rants, but I won't. But yeah, it's a good company to work for. I like it. If I didn't like it, I wouldn't have been working for them for the past 3 years. Not full time. I'm classed as a self-employed contractor, so I'm on off with them. But I like them. Could have a rant about one or two people, but I think you could have a rant about one or two people for every job that you go to or company that you work for. But I'll stay quiet. Won't have any rants. But that's my work bag. So my outside of work bag has changed a bit. As far as my hobbies and interests go that I've shown on this channel previously, like camping and fishing, I still like fishing, but everything else, I've getting rid of pretty much everything that I own. All of the camping gear is gone. I've got a few fishing rods and reels. As far as camping goes, I just don't have it in us anymore for some reason. It's just died in us. Every now and then I want to go camping, but I just never do. So